That's good, girl. You're so kind of passy. There you go. Yeah. You can do it. What a good little girl. And she's actually kind of holding it in her.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
She moves her hand around the thing, but she's actually holding it herself.
It's bigger than, it's big compared to her face.
Yeah. She makes me laugh when she does that.
Kennedy, you gonna open your eyes? You said no.
You gonna open that other eye, huh? You gonna open your right eye? Oh, there it is. There it is. How's my girl doing, huh?